Hi, welcome everyone. So today we are going to discuss about basic Linux command, and this is part 3 of our series basic Linux command that everyone should know before starting Linux. And after this I will upload a video on how can you establish your own lab for testing purposes. So let's start with our first command, that is unnamed. Okay, so basically this command helps us in getting about some system information or our software that we are using. So if I write name/a, it will show that I am currently using Linux Kali and its version is this. Okay, so now moving on to our next command, that is stop, and it gives us information, some of the running processes that are mostly heavy, or you can say that are prioritized. So if I run top command, then it is showing me these some of the processes that are currently running, and let me show you an example of this, that how it can help us in ending any process. And to end any process we have to use kill command and this PID number, okay, process ID number. So if I open this Firefox and I want to close this, then I have to first of all learn this PID number, that is 18814, and if I want to close this, then I have to write kill 18814. So as you can see that now it is closed, and if I want to open this, then I have to click on this again. And our next command will be psaux. So psaux helps us in getting more information about processes. It gives us a detailed information about all the processes. psaux. Now you can see that there are many processes currently running on my system. So psaux gives me complete information about all the processes. Okay, so our next command will be ifconfig, and ifconfig helps us in getting information about our network. ifconfig is showing my IP address, which is not true because Kali Linux changes our IP addresses. Okay, and there is another command, that is IPA. So it also showing my IP address. Okay, we use this when we perform nmap when we use nmap type of tools, okay, for port scannings. ID, IPA, ping. So let me go on to our next command, that is ping, and ping helps us in getting that whether we are connected to a network or not. So if I write ping google.com, then it will send some packets and it will receive them again, and if it is receiving, then it means it is connected to that source. So it sent 11 packets and 10 received and 9.091 packet loss. And then we have apt update. So it basically helps us in updating our Linux software. If I run apt update, then first of all it will check that which are the updates that are available, and there is another command, that is apt upgrade. So after running apt update, we can run apt upgrade for complete upgradation of our Linux, and we should do this every time when we start to use our Linux. So let me close this, and let's go on to our last command, that is git clone. So it basically helps us in cloning any repository or any tools from git directly. So first of all you have to click on this port, then you have to copy this https link, and again you have to come on here, then you have to write git clone, then you have to paste that link, paste selection, and when you will hit enter, then it will start to copy that repository onto your Linux. So let me show you that. Now you can see that awesome hacker search engines, it is now copied on our system. Okay, so these all were some of the basic commands that you should know before you should use Linux. And as I already told you that in our next video I will be telling you that how can you establish your own lab, and after that we will see the uses of nlab. So for today this will be enough, and see you in next video. Thank you, bye.